Volley Interactive Digital Surface combines with interactive digital media, which has recently innovated technology in world allows human being to interact with an impersonated digital environment. The product creates a completely new dimension for advertising, entertainment, promotions, and special events. Hence, Volley effectively attracts people and encourages them to interact with the virtual environment. Wall for e-media and journalism. At the moment, we have millions of news providing websites and smartphone applications, but still users are missing important news due to variety of news on same interface. Confused to select the best news agencies, updating news in every second, or either the most recent news updates. Fast track. People are moving fast at public spaces, stations and bus stops since they even don't get time to stop for a snack. But with this effective Volley news application, it has changed their way and make them turn and enjoy with the news within a minute away to their fingertips and make it their favorite on their way home or to office. Volley features. Since OnTag has developed the interactive news located at public environment, the Volley is facilitated for news categorized and present based on the areas, showing most viewers state the latest news, and especially Volley has dynamic animation which is showing users accessing in real time. Through this dynamic exhibit, user can motivated to access other people accessing news. The concept is called social navigation, which is directing, influencing, motivation for other people to access news while looking at other ones' accessing behaviors. Employing the concept of social navigation for e-media and journalism is a unique and will be essential when we need to give information in quick way and very attractive way towards behave as filtering interface. QR code accessibility makes the user to easy download the selected news update to an Android mobile device, gives the best experience in media to receive the data within a minute, even they are busy with usual habits. Way home. Time-saving technology for people to live with their favorites without a minute away from their fingertips. The real-time accessibility gives quick movers to be faster than ever before with their regular works. Ended up in a pocket. Volley with flavors and tastes. By using Volley features, user can find information and compare the taste as per their desire with types, flavors and many more basics. Apart from these types, it has flavors never matched with any other usual drinks. The gesture detecting technology allows users to interact and find their flavors such as jasmine, rose as flower flavors, mint and pan as herbal, citrus peel, rum, spice as other flavors. Volley solution for tea tasters provides user to interact with the solution which drives the user to fantastic dynamic information screen gives about the types of tea. Many don't know the type which they need to have such as black, green, herbal, mate, blooming and finally tea blends. Generally, black tea goes with the breakfast and it's a common drink used by the world. But most they don't know about what type of flavor them to try at other times. But with this Volley features, user can interact and find the best answer in a minute away. The comparison category drives the user into a place where they can easily find the differences in between the tea competitors in the tea trade. And on the same time, Volley direct them to experience the boiling temperature, brewing time, blends with features without making it.